If you are unable to hear anyone in Discord, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to make sure that the audio is working fine on other application. You can try YouTube or any other application and you can verify if audio is working fine. Once you are confident enough that audio is working fine and the issue is from Discord, then I will tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. Simply click on search and type mixer and go to sound mixer options, and from here you have to make sure that the output device is selected correctly. In my case it is selected correctly. Then what you have to do is scroll down. After that, go to Discord once again and click on this settings icon. Go to user settings and on the left hand side scroll down, and right here you can see voice and video. Click on that, and from here make sure that the speaker you have selected or the headset you have selected is correct. By doing this will most likely fix your issue. However, if the issue still remains, then you will need to clear app data. To do that, simply click on search and type run. Click on this run, and from here you have to type percentage app data percentage, and then click on OK, and then you have to right click on Discord, then click on delete. And if you are seeing this try again, then what you have to do is go to search and go to task manager. Click on task manager and right click on Discord and click on end task. After that, go to this file once again and click on try again, and your Discord will be deleted. After that, you will need to relaunch Discord. Type Discord and click on Discord, and you will need to log in once again. And once you will log in once again, all the settings will be reset and your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix not hearing issue in Discord. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.